Just got this Sportster fuel tank cover from Simon Customs. Looks like real nice quality. The bottom is lined with felt. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it fits. There's a 2-inch riser on this handlebar, which might make it kind of tight between the tank, but let's see if it fits. Okay, I had to stop the video to use 2 hands, but you just spread the bottom of it and then you push down on it and keep your, as long as you keep this clear from here so it doesn't scratch the paint, and it slips right on. And make sure it goes between the seat here, and it looks great. Okay, and this is with it installed. Pretty cool.